Hey, so you want to make a link that goes to some external site. And so we do that with what is called an anchor tag. So I'm going to start an anchor tag right here, and we can type some text, click here to go to Google. And notice if I run this text right here, there's not really anything for me to click. The text shows up, but when I click it, nothing's happening. So what I need to do to make this work is we need to give an attribute, which goes in here in this opening tag. And that attribute is href equals and then some quotes. And this stands for hypertext reference. You don't really need to know that. You just need to know href. And here is where we give it the destination. So if I want it to go to Google, it can be HTTPS. And now when I run this, the way Replit works is it's still not going to work. So I'm going to open it in a new tab. And so now when I click this, it actually takes me to Google.